Hey guys, this is October the 12th, 2022. Um, this is a project update video. Um, this is my Dupont tank car. You guys may have seen this tank car in previous videos, but it hasn't been seen recently because it's the railings on it were heavily damaged. The underside of the car where the trucks were damaged, just because it was not put in a protective box, and it got jostled around a lot when I was moving around. So I completely redid the railings. These are the original ones here, and as you can see, they're made out of flimsy brass wire. They're very flimsy, like they're super flimsy. Like, let me show you. Like, that's how flimsy they are. Even when they were on the car, they were that flimsy. So what I did is I went to Nicholas Smith Trains and I bought some .032 music wire or .81 millimeter music wire. There's actually a gauge of wire below this, which probably would have been just as strong, but I chose this one because I knew it would be the more durable one. And then I bought some A-line stanchions. These are the medium length ones, and I cut them down to fit into the holes of the car here. And I did both sides. And the masking tape that I'm using is the Tananami masking tape. So I'm going to go outside and paint this car today. And then these are all the pieces here that I'm going to reassemble it with. So it's going to get Kato roller bearing trucks. And then I'll show you guys the final product. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back, and the car has been, well, the top of the car has been painted. So the paint I used was Scale Coats White, and I used the dull coat to seal everything in. So next job is to reassemble the car, and then it'll be ready to go. Okay guys, the car is finished. So the paint's dry. Got the Kato roller bearing trucks on it. I use the same gauge piano wire for the piping underneath because there was extra holes here, so I said why not just fill them in with the wire. But yeah, came out great. So yeah, this car is actually ready for service, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project update video, and I'll have more coming soon. Bye, y'all.